Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So Terra Luna Classic. How much Terra Luna Classic do you need to be in that sweet spot? So let's go ahead and take a look at it. As we know, Terra Luna Classic jumped up on a lot of people's radars, spiked up on yesterday. So I know a lot of people is hyped now trying to get in all of a sudden. When we been called this out, told you guys you definitely want to get in before it broke 3017 because this bad boy was going to run. It was going to run hard. After it did that, it went up 77%. That following day continued to make higher highs, and then eventually it sold off because too much hype, FOMO. Gotta shake the week out, came down, found support, exactly what we said we would, guys. Told you guys usually when it's a tough time breaking through resistance, that's usually where to come down, find support at. That's why previously we seen Terra Luna Classic come down to 3-0, 17, 18, right around that area before revamping and running right back up, guys, like it didn't even come down. That's how quickly it went back up. And now we're trying to build support right around that 3-0s, high 20s, and 30. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys. So we know on Monday at the Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, unveiled a scheme to reduce the supply of the token of Terra Luna Classic. So Binance is basically coming out with this free burn system to help reduce the supply of Terra Luna Classic, which then theoretically will spike the price of Terra Luna Classic, guys. So you definitely want to be getting on this before things get better than they already are. So Terra Luna Classic is definitely looking very, very good, guys. Very, very lovely. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the price action and share with you guys my opinion on where I believe the price is going to go from here. And then shortly after that, we're going to let you guys know exactly how much Terra Classic do I believe one need to be in that sweet spot. So Terra Luna Classic is currently sitting at 3026. So obviously I haven't looked at the price action today. We broke through that support where we was trying to build at, and I knew we would. Usually whenever you shoot up like that and the first support is trying to build at, usually it's not going to hold. It's never going to really hold. It's going to break down a bit and they have to go up to that level a few times before it actually start to hold support at 3030, guys. So as we see, we came down to 3026 after running up like we did on yesterday to 3030, and now we got that wall right around 3031, 3032, and we starting to trying to build support right around the high 3020s. So if we hold up this, guys, which I do believe it will hold, we should run up and retest resistance here fairly soon, going towards the weekend. Terra Luna Classic will run up, test resistance at 3032, and I believe it will break through it possibly on Saturday, guys. The day after, a lot of the money from the stock market be revamped over to the crypto industry, because usually that's where a lot of traffic come from. Once the market is closed for the week, a lot of money, day traders, short-term investors, they'll take that money and put it over to crypto. And a lot of those day traders, short-term investors will also let Terra Luna Classic build steam before they get off the boat. And from them jumping in with all those boatloads of cash just to be in for a 50% gain or a 30% gain and get out, from them, spending all that money on Terra Luna Classic on top of the money for the people that's actually holding it is going to help boost that price action up, which will cause FOMO and more people to hurry up and barge in, guys. So if we hold up at this level, which I think we will, we're going to see another spike with Terra Luna Classic, in my opinion, here very soon, guys. So now to answer the question, what we all here for, how much Terra Luna Classic do you need to be in that sweet spot? This is my opinion, guys, and I believe, me personally, a million Terra Luna Classic is a sweet spot for Terra Luna. Because if Terra Luna continue to burn supply, even if it take a few years, a couple years, even a decade, 10 years, especially if you ain't that old, if it was to take that long for Terra Luna Classic to get back to $1 and you own a million, that's $1 million, guys. And I don't believe it would take a decade. So best believe, you need to be getting as much Terra Luna as you can. That's a very small amount of money that's to you. Aim small, miss small, like I always say. So just in case it don't go as planned, it won't hurt you guys. And like I say, I'm not investing in Terra Luna and say, oh, it's going to the moon regardless, this and third. The odds, the chances of making thousands of dollars or hundreds of thousands of dollars off a very small amount of money, the odds is so much in our favor, you'll be crazy not to put something in on Terra Luna Classic, guys, even if it ain't nothing but $10 or $20, because the upside potential is massive. So anyways, I believe that sweet spot would be a million Terra Luna Classic, guys, because even if Terra Luna hit 10 cents, 10 pennies, 10 pennies now, and it came from $100. That still will be $100,000 just off a couple $100 investment. That's insane of return. Even if it don't hit 10 pennies and it hit 1 cent, just 1 penny, that'd be $10,000. And that's a crazy return, guys. And even if it, at a fraction of that, of 1 penny, that's $1,000 off of just a couple $100. So even if we break it all the way down, guys, 10% of a penny would still give you a band just off a couple $100. So, but we looking to make way more than that. We ain't even want to see no little band. At least 100, at least 100 or better. But we can meet in the middle at 50K. But that's not me saying I'm going to make that or nothing. If we make it, we make it. If we don't, oh well. It's better just like when them billions of dollars of the lottery came out, right? It'd be a lot of people saying, oh, you'll never win that, which I believe. I say the same thing. You'll never win it. But you definitely ain't going to win not a damn thing if you don't even play. It's some people out there, you ain't even got 1 ticket. But if you buy at least 1 ticket of that crazy Powerball money that be out there, you at least got 1 chance, right? So it's better to have a chance than no chance at all. That's basically what I'm trying to say in a nutshell with Terra Luna Classic. So if it don't make sense now, it eventually will. You already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all. Get in VIP. Hit me up for a phone call, and watch out for scam, guys. Scam alert, scam alert. They be everywhere, putting fake profiles. They say WhatsApp, all that stuff. Watch out for that. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We gone.